beat on in this.
This motherfucker boy over there, bitch.
Yeah, nigga. We ain't bullshitting with y'all. Ugly ass niggas, man.
Money call them know what it is, man.
In this bitch, what up?
Bow!
Finna freestyle in this bitch. Keep you updated. Ain't done a freestyle since 2 Christmas ago. But motherfucker, I'm back. It's time to rip this track, dawg. Give me the great shout, Alright, zone in on this bitch. Tell you niggas something, man. I'm finna get my feelings.
Go get him!
Hater can't stand me. My watch look like Ice Cube in your glass of brandy. Swagger on premium. I'm hot, somebody fan me. Loud pack stinking like old shit Stanley. Put me in the microwave. White girl tanning. When I was 12, I was selling dope out of abandoned. Hustling for a mansion. Trying to make an NBA expansion and get a Porsche Cayenne expanded. Hold on.
Damn!
The prosecutor wanna slam dunk the shot blockers.
Yeah.
I pop collars and bottles sitting in a drop popper.
Yeah.
I got a Glock in the glove box. The stock robbers tell her put the coke in her pussy in case the cops stop us. Nigga, God stop us. Airheads, gummy worm. Shoot a nigga from 100 yard, make it tummy burn. 53 penetrated pocket, watch it money burn. What make a nigga look like he fell asleep getting a perm? Big worm on you smoky ass niggas. One hit a quitter PD on you jody ass niggas. I'm finna get rich on you phony ass niggas. Take your bitch to go offshore, now she a lonely ass nigga. Everybody know I get it crackin'. I'm in here for that action and I ball like John Paxton. These motherfuckers know I got that Samuel L. Jackson rhyme with that Betty White. I bust a left and made a right. You say you want that white 1 gram or run you 1 damn 50. My shit so cold, you cannot sniff it. And Meezy in this motherfucker, yeah, I be ripping. And Meezy on the block, I made one hell of a ticket. Call me the big ticket, Kevin Garnett or Rondo. And Meezy up in this bitch, I go hard like Congo. Y'all niggas don't want it with it, Meezy, man, I go ham. Pull up on your bitch in a Chevy called Bethlehem. Everybody know I got them grams and I'm going wham. Just done a song with Project Pat, L and them go ham. Fuck niggas, I shoot him dead in his face till he duck, nigga. You look like your beat cut off, Daffy Duck, nigga. And we don't give a fuck about damn suck, nigga. Better yet a fuck, nigga. We on that motherfucking grind. 20 times 9, divide that shit by 5. I'm trying to flip that shit by 9. Ha! And I'm out this bitch.
Every time. That nigga got a problem. Go get him!